In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use QuillBot in MS Word 2023. We'll start by opening Word from the web. Then I'll show you how QuillBot flags issues as you type, how to review its suggestions, and how to run a full grammar check across your document. First, open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Microsoft Word and press Enter. Look for the official Microsoft Word result from Microsoft's site and click it. Using the official site keeps things secure and ensures you're getting the latest experience. If you're prompted to sign in, use your Microsoft account so you can access your files. Once Word loads, choose a recent document you want to work on, or start fresh with a new blank document. Either option is fine. We just need a place where we can type and see QuillBot in action. If your files are stored in the cloud, they'll open right inside Word in your browser. With your document open, begin typing a short paragraph. If you already have the QuillBot grammar checker enabled in Word, you'll notice that it underlines potential mistakes as you go. These underlines draw attention to spelling errors, grammar issues, and awkward phrasing, helping you catch problems early. Think of these as suggestions rather than commands. You stay in control of what changes to make. To learn more about any specific underline, click directly on the highlighted word or phrase. A suggestion card or panel will appear with recommended fixes and a brief explanation of why the change is suggested. Take a moment to read the reasoning. Understanding the why behind a correction helps you avoid repeating the same mistake later. When a suggestion fits your intent, apply it. If it doesn't, you can ignore it and move on. When you're ready for a broader pass, look for the QuillBot option to start grammar checking and click Start Grammar Checking. This runs a comprehensive scan of the entire document, surfacing issues you might have missed while drafting. Work through the list at your own pace, accepting the improvements that strengthen clarity, tone, and correctness. Before you finish, give the document one last read to make sure the voice still sounds like you. Save your changes so your edits are preserved across devices. That's it. Opening Word from the web, writing your content, reviewing QuillBot's inline suggestions, and running a full grammar check is a simple workflow you can use on any document.